So you want to become a big YouTuber, a big Twitch star, a big Twitter person, thing, guy, influencer. Follow me, I'll show you how to do it using the tips, tricks and tools that I have learnt over the past, say, 2 or 3 years. Here is my confession. So becoming an influencer today seems to be an impossible feat to actually achieve. I've tried it before. It's just with YouTube, putting YouTube Let's Plays, and the funny here and there video.
Man, I'm just trying to lick his feet in peace. Leave me alone, dude.
And that's not weird. I even did it, if you look back on my channel, I've even done it recently through my Twitch streams. Just put a load of clips together and threw it on there. Not surprising, hasn't worked. 20 views at best. So the real question that we want to be asking is, how do you become an influencer online?
Even tasting salt up your nose.
How do you become the Pokimane? How do you become the PewDiePie? How do you become the Shroud? How do you do this? It seems to be a question that everyone wants to know, but nobody has the answer for. There are people out there that have tips and tricks, and I'll get right to them in a moment, but the tips and tricks ain't really going to get you where you want to be. So stick with me. I'm going to go through everything with you over a next series, which is going to be really, really cool. So don't miss out. If you like the content, why not give me a like, subscribe, and a share? God, that feels horrible to say. But yeah, give those buttons a good old click, and hopefully we can actually get this project up and running.